Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Dogecoin. What am I expecting on Dogecoin? If you watched my previous analysis on Dogecoin was around this area right here, and I said I'm expecting Dogecoin to at least get to my first target, which is my negative 27% fib level, and my second target, which is my negative 61.8 fib level, around that area. And we can see there are a lot of consolidations and a lot of choppy market, but we finally got to my target. So if I extend this a little bit more to the side, you can see that we got to the target, which is around this level right here. So now that the target has been met, I can now delete my analysis on that. So let's see what next we're expecting, and we can see even it came to my overall negative 61.8, which is my overall for this particular move right at this level right here. It came down to my negative 61.8. So now that that has also been done, what next am I expecting? If you've watched my analysis, you know that my negative 61.8 is like a reversal, and it finally got into that level. So let me adjust my previous trend line around this area and see what we are expecting. So what am I expecting? Because we are currently around that zone, I'm expecting a bit of a move to the upside, to be honest. I can delete this one right here. Maybe a move to the upside for a while, because we are currently around that zone. That's what I'm expecting. But like I said, the market does what you want to do. It doesn't have to happen the way I think it will happen, but that is what I think might happen based on my previous experiences on it though. So I'm gonna go with, just because of I think you might go doesn't mean there are a lot of scenarios around this here, because it doesn't give me enough data right at this level right here. Because you can call this a break of structure around this area. We can call this a break of structure, this break of structure, retest, and a continuation to the downside. But because like I said, we are currently around my negative 27%, so I see a possibility that we might push to the I see a possibility that we might push to the upside for a while before we now continue on in downside. That's a possibility. But if any other thing happen, and but if anything happen, right, we might continue to just push to the downside. But before we push to the downside, and I see, like, I want to see, like, because pushing to the downside, we can see there was a break of structure here, a break of structure here. I want to see another break of structure around this area right here, breaking through this zone. Then I will now say we might have changed to the downside, because overall we are still pushing to the downside, and my target for that is my negative 27%, which is around this level. So but my current price, like I said, just because of where we are, we might see a little bit of buy to at least my target around this area. Let me see, maybe around this area right here to my negative 27%. Like you all know, that's always my first target before we might now continue to push to the downside. So that's just what I'm saying. But like I said, if we break this low right here, if there's a break of structure around that low, then we might not need to push to the buy, and we can just continue to see continue to move to the downside and continue to sell. But I need more data to confirm that. So that is just my thoughts on Dogecoin, guys. Hope this is insightful, guys. Please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.